Sure, here I have a Honda stereo system for a bike. And the problem is when the volume knob is moved, it cuts out the volume on the left hand side or something. So it's it's a Panasonic model RM-G30. We'll open it up and have a look, I guess. You never know. You can never know once you open it, so no harm in that. That's the thing, I do these kind of repairs to just repair anything actually. Just anything electronic. Christmas lights, vacuum cleaners, hot tub stuff. Majority of the things that I do repair a lot of is TVs. For some surprising reason, everyone has a TV, but not everyone has a Honda bike. So there's a little clip here. Okay. Oh, just broke my pen. Okay. So the tree comes off quite nicely, actually. This model is an older model. You can see the dip chips. The dip's 16 chip. And no surface mount components. All through hole. It's probably, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years old. But I like old stuff. Now, I can see the pots down in there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray the pots with contact spray. You can just barely see them down there. I don't know if you can or not. There we go. So you can see down in here the pots. And what I'm going to do is spray them with contact spray. So I have some contact spray from Canadian Tire. We'll just give them a shot in the corner here. And then I'm just flipping it over. And I'm just going to be cranking these bad guys to get that contact stuff all through. Because I think it just didn't detect the pot. The pots, they rust out over time. Like if you have crackly volume buttons, that will fix it. Just spraying in the corner of the pot. I'll show you. I think I do have some external pots that we can have a closer look at what I did. So this is a pot. It's a variable resistor. Usually they're 10K, and you know they give you the K ohms there, and it has a common, and then you have the two outputs. So it's as if there's like two resistors. One goes up, the other one will go down, and the maximum minimum will be 10K in this case. So it goes 0 from 10K as measured from the middle one. And this one's a closed one. If it's closed, you're kind of, I don't know if having it closed is better, because then it's not as going to rust as much. But if they have a little crack usually right there, and you can just spray in there, and then it just helps it with the contact, because they do wear it. Especially, you know, this is a bike. I'm presuming that there's moisture when you're biking. I don't know if there's like a case that goes over this or not. Like you can see in there that there's lots of grit, and I even like see a bug down in there. So I don't know. I'm not a biker. Well, I am a biker, but just a bicyclist, you know. But I don't know if you call that a biker or not. A cyclist. My longest biking trip, my cycling trip, I guess I should say, was 2,000 kilometers. Did it in 10 days with my brother. We went out east, and it was good. It's a really good experience. So I can understand biking. If you have a bike and you have some music, it's really nice. You just kind of relax and take off, and the hours just pass by. But I don't know, having a motorbike, you have to pay for insurance in the winter. I don't know. Maybe one day when I retire, I will try getting my motorbike license. Why not? Have a try. Is that enough? You think that works? Give me a thumbs up if you think this is interesting, if it's going to work. That's all I'm going to do for this guy. Just add the contact spray.